Welcome to the Star Industries Mini Root Grapple. So a root grapple is going to have tines on the bottom, and that allows for soil and small debris to stay behind. That makes it a perfect tool for moving rock, brush, logs, and any other type of material where you want the soil and smaller debris to stay behind. There are some job sites, due to their size or the narrow pathway to the job site, that requires smaller machinery. With a 44-inch width bucket, this is perfect for smaller and harder to reach job sites, DIY, farm and ranch, and residential projects. So wherever your jobs take you, Star Industries Mini Root Grapple is ready to work and built to last. And we back our product with a 1-year warranty.